Hey guys, this is Benny. I hope everyone is doing great today. Today I'm going to show you guys how to move your character to your mouse position. From a comment from Romain, I decided to make this video to hopefully help him out. If anyone else finds it useful, it would be great as well. So I got a project open. So I got a player as a sprite, just a square box. And what I want to do is add a new FSM into it. In the first state, I want to add an action called get mouse down. In the event, I want to create a new event and call it mouse down. Then you want to click on the red text so it can add a transition. Now we want to add a second state connecting the transition from the first state to the second state. In the second state, we want to add an action called get mouse position. And if you don't have it, you can go into the ecosystem and download it. We want to create a new variable to store our mouse position, which will be called mouse position. And from here we want to add a transition finish. We want to connect that transition finish to a third state. In this third state, we want to add an action called screen to viewpoint. On the screen vector, we want to select mouse position, the variable that we created in the second state. And now we want to store the world vector. We will need to create a new vector. So we'll just call it world point. And moving your character to the position, we want to add an action called move towards. Under target position, we want to select world point. And in the finished event, go ahead and just choose finish and select the red text, transition to the first state, and we are done. And as you can see, I'm just messing around with the finish distance. Up to you if you want to set up 0.01 or 10 or 1, whatever distance you want your character to stop at, but keep it above 0.01 for it to work correctly. And that's pretty much it. I hope it helps you guys out. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment them below and let me know. Thanks.